Hi there. I figured I'd show you a quick video on how to use this new FAST system. I send you in an email 4 different links. The first link is a link to sign up for FAST. It'll look like this page. I won't step you through this, but it's really just a matter of putting your email in, going through some prompts, and you're all set. The key here is that after you've done that, you will need to send me an email so that I can assign you the proper permissions. I can't do that until I have that email. The second link I send you is a link that'll lead to this home page, right? You'll have to sign in and then your screen will look somewhat like the one you see here. It won't have the exact same options at the top because your permissions will be a little bit different. All right. The third link I send you is a link to the new list of primary instructors. And there have been some changes over the past few weeks, so I want to make sure that you go through those. Look especially at the ones that are highlighted. Those are the ones that I remember have changed recently, but you want to go through all of them regardless. Once you're done with putting your program maps into the new system, put a little note here that says done so that I can track that. All right. So the last link I sent you is a link to all of the program maps that we have on SharePoint. If you have any problems with SharePoint, getting into SharePoint, make sure you send Jesse an email. He can typically fix that. In my case, I am going to show you how to put the program map for SE265, which is a software engineering course. So I'll look this up right now. And in essence, what we're doing here is we're taking all the information here and putting it into the system here. So we'll go to the Objectives tab. There's a bunch of buttons on the left. The one you want to click is the course's objectives. The institution objectives and the program's objectives are all taken care of. So I go to Courses. I pick the department. It's Information Technology for all of us. Then I pick the program. In my case, it's Software Engineering Technology. And then I pick the course here, the AS Capstone Project. All of the objectives are listed here. They should correspond with all of the objectives here. If they don't, you can edit or remove or add your objectives. That should not be a problem. So once you verified that all of this here is in good shape, you can then go to this link here, manage the FAST2 matrix, and then you pick each of the course objectives. And for each of the course objectives, you specify how they relate to the program objective. So in our case here, develop a real-world application over the course of 10 weeks. The only one that I need to identify here is this one here, design and implement algorithms and so forth. That here is mastered. Note that the only options you have are not applicable, introduced, reinforced, and mastered. You can no longer have a, excuse me, you can no longer have a combination of I, R, and M. So I click mastered and I click save changes. I go to the next one, write a technical design document that corresponds with the fourth one here. I click mastered, hit save changes, go to this objective here, design a normalized database with at least 5 tables that corresponds with the first objective here. Click mastered. 2 more, communicate all current statuses here that corresponds with the second objective. I click mastered. And then the last one here is understand team dynamics, and that corresponds with the second one. I click mastered, save changes. So that's all there's to it. Once you're done, you go back to this list here that I mentioned earlier, and you just put in here that it's done. All right, thanks so much.